Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to move your pages, breaks on your document on Microsoft Office Word. First of all, open your Microsoft Word document and follow these simple steps. In my case here, I'll have to add some page breaks so I can move them. To do so or to insert the page breaks, you can just go to Insert and go to the pages section and just click on the page break. Also, a blank page is considered as page break. Or all we have is to go to the layout section, layout tab menu, and you will find breaks. Here are some page breaks. Now we should make the breaks visible so we can move them. To make them visible, all we have is to head to the Home tab, and here in the paragraph section, we'll find a symbol called Show and Hide. This option or this icon uh, make all the invisible characters or marks, make them visible. As you can see, those are our pages breaks. Now, all we have to do now, all you have to do is to select or to go near the cursor near to the page break, so it will be on the first line of the on the same line of the page break, and then you will see if you scroll a little bit down, you will see this icon or the cursor of writing uh, with a little arrow here. As you can see, now if I double click here, it will move automatically deep down there. So if I do it again and I will take it here to the bottom, it will be taken. We can do this with all the page breaks. So if you can see, this is a column break that is considered also as a page break. So all we have is to click on it this way. So this is how you move your page break on Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching and goodbye.